Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate the classic Edward Scissorhands style Halloween makeup and costume. I'm first going to show you how I made the Scissorhands. So the first thing you're going to need is a plain pair of fabric gloves. Then you're going to need a couple sheets of craft foam. This is how we're going to make the scissors. Using your hand or the glove, you're going to use this as a guide to kind of eye and size up the size of each blade. So I'm just going to sketch these out first. Then once I have this to the shape and size I like, I'm going to cut this out. Once you have your craft foam blades cut out, they're ready to paint. So to get the color or look of metal, I'm going to use hammered spray paint in two colors, silver and pewter, and just lightly apply a few coats over top of these. This gives a really cool effect. You can see on the lid or top of the spray paint can the finished effect looks just like metal. So paint and color these however you want. Then I used a hot glue gun and some bent paper clips to help attach these together, and then bent the paper clips sort of like a ring to fit around the glove in each finger. This is a super easy, affordable, safe, lightweight option to make the scissor hand prop. Moving on to the makeup itself, I did put on a short black wig and my costume. To start the makeup, I'm using nose and scar wax. This is modeling putty with some adhesive, and using these, I'm going to create the look of the scars. First, taking the adhesive, I'm going to place this wherever matches as best as I can looking at photos of Edward to mimic the scar location. Then I'm going to apply and shape the putty right over top. This does take some time to mold this into the look we're going for. Just be patient with it. You can use your fingers to warm up the scar wax. You can also use some tools to help better apply and form this to the shape and location you want to use it. Once I have these scars placed everywhere I would like them, I'm going to set everything with a translucent powder and a foundation powder, much lighter than my real skin tone because Edward is pale in the movie. So this is going to help set the shine and help blend in the color. Then using a super light concealer, I'm going to place this over top my eyebrows to help blend those in better with my skin. Then using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm going to start shading and contouring, again using those same shadow colors on the inner area of my eyebrows and under eye. I then continued to contour more in my cheekbone area, jawline, and around my lips. Then again, just blend and set everything with a lighter foundation powder. Add your homemade gloves, and this look is complete. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel and you have notifications turned on so you never miss a new video. I'd love to know what type of look you want to see next, so be sure to comment that down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.